Handy Hudsonite here. Have you had a desire to put a shutoff valve in your pipes, your water pipes, or maybe you need some sort of a coupling in your pipes so that you can have some more control over your water flow in your house? Well, a few years ago, we wanted to be able to have a way to shut off our outside water spigot, but we didn't have any sort of way of shutting it off during the winter months and have it risk freezing up, and we don't want to have any pipes bursting on us. So I did some research and I found out about a particular product that is easy to install and has proven to be a great way to turn off the water. And this particular insert doesn't leak. It's very effective, and you can find it at most hardware stores or on Amazon. And this particular product is called Shark Bite, and they make a number of different pipe connectors or valves or shutoffs, and I've actually have several of them installed around my house for various reasons. So I want to show you one that I have down here. This is one that controls our outside faucet. So if you have the handle perpendicular to the unit, it's shut off, so water flow is now stopped. If you do that, if it's parallel, then it's open, and the instructions are right on the manual, right on the handle, not the manual. And you can see it's got great construction, and you can see both sides are very secure. Now, there's a particular way to put this on, and it's been quite a while since I've installed one, but you need a simple tool, a pipe cutting tool, and you just need to cut about 1 inch of the pipe away. Obviously, you need to turn off the water to this first and let that drain out before you do any of the cutting. You just cut about 1/2 inch or 1 inch a section in it, and then this, you slide one side on and then you slide the other side on, and I think they even include a tool to kind of help secure it together. And once you learn the technique for installing the Shark Bite coupling, it may only take you 15 minutes, if even that. Once you've done a couple of them, you can even put one up in 10 minutes. And like I mentioned, we've got a number of them around here to control different shutoffs. I was wanting to test out whether a particular part of my house had a leak, so I installed a shutoff valve to shut off the water to that area to do some testing. And we didn't even have a shutoff valve from the inside that we could shut off the water to the whole house, so I installed one right near where the water source comes into my house. So these have been fantastic additions to the pipe structure of my house. So pick one up if you're wanting to do this type of project, and it's just very simple to do. So I hope this has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my channel here, the Handy Hudsonite, where I give you tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. Hit the notification bell. Make sure to enable all the notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my content. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.